Beyond the stunning new display and the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the most remarkable aspect of Samsung's S24 Ultra and the S24 range is the groundbreaking generative AI. The way we use our cell phones is about to alter because of this cutting-edge technology. Like our previous video covered, the flagship model in the S24 series and the centerpiece of Samsung's next products is the AI-powered S24 Ultra. A sneak peek of this generative AI's potential has been presented by Samsung under the official moniker Galaxy AI. This artificial intelligence AI system, called Samsung Gauss, was created by the company and is expected to revolutionize smartphone usage. Let's now explore the capabilities of the Galaxy AI on the S24 lineup. Samsung has announced AI Live Translate Call, one of its primary functions. With the help of this functionality, you may stop using third-party translation apps by integrating your personal translator into your native call feed. It provides real-time audio and text translations during phone calls. The best part is that it all happens right on your device, with no need to send your conversation to a distant server. While Samsung only showcased this one feature, there's more to come. The Galaxy AI will also help you select the best photos taken with your S24 camera. This means no more struggling to choose the perfect shot from a series of similar pictures. Additionally, it can be used for tasks like summarizing documents, which is especially handy for those using the S24 Ultra as a productivity tool. Whether it's lengthy reports, research papers, or documents, the Galaxy AI can quickly condense them, highlighting the essential points and findings, saving you time and effort. But the Galaxy AI's potential doesn't stop there. It promises to bring a host of other AI features to the S24 lineup, enhancing your everyday smartphone experience significantly. Now, let's talk about Samsung Gauss, the engine behind the Galaxy AI. Think of it as an alternative to popular AI models like ChatGPT or Google Bard. What sets it apart is that it operates on the device itself, without relying on cloud connectivity. This gives Samsung a competitive edge in the AI landscape. Samsung Gauss encompasses various components, handling a wide range of tasks, including image generation, email composition, document summarization, coding assistance, and much more. The goal is to incorporate generative AI into the core functions of mobile devices, promising a significant enhancement of our everyday smartphone experience. In conclusion, Samsung's S24 series with generative AI is set to redefine how we use our smartphones, making tasks easier and more efficient. With the power of the Galaxy AI and Samsung Gauss, Samsung aims to lead the way in the AI landscape, providing innovative features right on your device. Subscribe for more updates and stay tuned for the latest developments. Also, drop your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.